This is a 1999 Mustang GT, and if any of you have tried to siphon the gas tank on one of these, you'll know that it's got a siphon trap on it, which means you can't get your hose down into the tank. So here's what you do. You go out to the auto parts store. I got this from BJ Parts in Port Coquitlam. And it's a little hand pump, okay? Get this hand pump here. And you reach under here, go under here, you see. Whoa! Alright. Okay, so we're up under the gas tank here. I guess it would work on almost any vehicle, but I'm just pointing this out on the Mustang right now. We got the fuel line coming from the gas tank here, and it follows up to the fuel filter. And off the back of the fuel filter, we got a polyethylene hose that runs back down to the hand pump. Oh boy, this is hard to do with one hand. And we get the hand pump. Let's see if I can do this without pushing the wrong button on my phone here. Here we go. I just put it between my legs here. Here we go. And go. Pump. And into the jerry can it goes. So for anybody interested in figuring out how to siphon the tank on a Mustang, there's the solution to the problem. Have a good day. Please like and subscribe. See you now.